Hi, I'm Camille. And I'm Hadley.
And who are your siblings?
This is Brenly, and that's McCoy. Evie's sleeping right now.
Oh yeah, we better go wake her up, because what are we doing today?
Making a video!
And where are we?
In the nature place, I don't know.
Yeah.
Smith Falls.
Smith Falls State Park, right.
Yes. We're going to see a waterfall.
Ooh, that's exciting.
And maybe look for mice.
Evie, who's going to wake her up?
Yeah, me.
Yeah.
I want to.
Everybody wants to wake her up, huh?
Open it. Come here, Evie. Evie, wake up. Evie. We're good at this, aren't we?
This could be like a challenge. Who can get Evie up?
Evie,
we're going to go see a waterfall.
We're going to make a video. Hey, I'm going to wake her up.
Oh, you can get up here too.
It's time to go to the waterfall.
Free Billy Goat's Gruff Bridge. Pick up that troll.
Everyone run.
Trap over the bridge.
Doing?
Hide from the troll. We gotta hurry up. The grumpy old trolls are over there. We can't let them see us. And I think they're coming. We gotta run. Run!
Is a troll coming for you?
Mommy, it's a bouquet.
Oh,
Really big. I think there might be like a troll or something.
a troll under the waterfall?
Yeah.
Roll up your pants, friend.
Pull up your pants. I don't have
Camille, can you roll up your pants?
You know how to roll up your pants, Neil? Kind of twist them? Perfect.
Oh my God.
This is always colder than the river.
How old are you guys? Are you guys pretty cold? Are you cold?
Our feet are cold. My feet are about to fall off.
Oh no!
Mommy.
She just got engaged. She's gonna get married. Look at her ring. Look. Can you tell her congratulations? Congratulations.
So beautiful. Give us a big thumbs up and subscribe.
Comment below.
Comment below. Bye.